ever wondered why tomato prices suddenly shoot up? Why are some products expensive while others suddenly become cheaper? In the next few minutes, you'll understand how prices are decided in every market.
Stay till the end, because I'll share an exam trick you'll never forget.
Demand means how much consumers are willing and able to buy. When prices fall, more people buy.
This creates the downward sloping demand curve.
Higher prices reduce demand, while lower prices increase demand. Supply means how much producers are willing to sell. When prices fall, producers supply less. This creates the upward sloping supply curve. When supply and demand meet, we get equilibrium.
This is the market price where buyers and sellers agree.
If demand becomes higher than supply, prices rise.
If supply becomes greater than demand, prices fall.
This explains petrol prices, housing prices, and online shopping discounts. Heavy rains reduce supply, causing prices to increase. During festivals, demand increases, and prices often rise. A new phone launch creates high demand, allowing premium pricing. Here's an easy trick for exams.
Let us learn the law of demand. When price goes up, demand comes down, but for supply, it goes up too. Remember these two rules, and you'll never forget supply and demand.
Supply and demand explains almost every market around us.
Once you understand this model, economics becomes much easier.
If this video made economics easy, subscribe to educatii and turn complex concepts into simple learning.